I'm Sam. We're gonna make chicken curry today. This is the ingredients: garlic, ginger, and onion.
Okay? Sabi niya kay ate. Roll na.
Roll na, ate.
Okay.
Okay. So, lalagyan na natin ang garlic ito. Ate.
Sam, huwag na magulo.
I'll do the rest.
Okay.
Ate,
And the next.
akong mix na dad.
Mamaya, next.
Akong mix.
Ano, no?
Mix ako.
Mamaya na, mamaya.
Akong mix.
Sam will mix. Sam will mix. Ikaw mix niyan? Ha?
Good.
Oh, smells good, ah. Ano yung song mo? Marinig nga ako.
We are Asia, Africa, North and South America,
Very good.
Antarctica, Europe.
What again?
And we put chicken.
Okay, chicken. Oh, mix it. Wow, galing ni Sam samaan, ah. Sa ate mo naman, si ate man.
Mix until the chicken is semi-golden brown.
Okay yun, Sam? Tama si ate? Tama?
Yes.
Tama? Okay.
Okay, hindi. Ako na.
You put ano yan? Patis. Okay. Hawakan niyo yung mga bata, ha? Mainit yan. Okay na yan. Too much na.
Enough.
Okay, enough. Oh, ano yan?
Chicken curry powder.
Go. Okay, around mo, around. Okay pa. Okay, up. Wait for 10 minutes.
Wait for 10 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
Put some pepper to taste.
How many?
715 minutes.
Again.
Red chili.
4.
For spicy.
Okay, and then
This.
gata.
Kata.
Para mahal ka ng mama mo, sabi mo.
Stop.
Coco mama, go. Para love ka ng mama mo.
Okay,
Okay.
stop.
Oh, stop.
Mix too much.
Why?
Because it will be deactivated.
Okay.
Okay. I put down chili for kainan.
Okay. Kaya yan? O, ano na lang natin, pakuluin na lang at kain na kayo. O, Sam, honest review.
Honest review, 10.
10, we, kasi cook mo. O, how about you, ate? Okay, kay kuya naman tayo. Kuya, honest review. Honest review. What? 1 lang?
Honest review, 10.
I mean, improve naman eh.
Oh, ang galing ah. Ikaw, Sam, sa'yo. 10?
Honest review, 10.
How about ate Sheena?
Honest review, 5.
5 lang? Wow, galing ah. Sige, kain na kayo mabuti ah. Ubusin niya, kartok ang ulo nyo sa akin. Oh, more rice pa? Okay.